Once again, it's your man, Alfred Kojo AK247. There's a project that we are bringing to our people, and I want everybody to pay serious attention to it. This is the returning channel, Sankofa, and we are based on YouTube. But this channel is about those in diaspora who want to come to Africa. So anything Africa concern our people. That's why we deal with real estate on Thursdays. We deal with drive with me, ride with me, and many more. All what I needed from you is to love our channel, you subscribe, you share. Well, today is a special program that we are packaging to help Africa. And I'm here to introduce you to a lady, I can say a very beautiful lady, but she has a story. Whom you are seeing right now is the sister. Let's just go straight and listen to the story, and from there is the returning channel. Whatever happened, we do it on the returning way. So now let's just go straight to the sister and let's talk to her, okay? But your friend was saying?
Barkisu.
Can't say thing.
Barkisu.
Barkisu. Would you know me you?
Barkisu.
Barkisu. That's Barkisu is her name.
Barkisu.
Barkisu. Now, Madam, this is our first word. Akwala pictures now. Yes, no. Say akwala na kasa. Okay. And for the meantime, you know, viewers know pictures no. Now, what story need to say? Can story need to tell me? Can makuma kuna me translate ma omo?
Ipacho na akwala no. Oh, 7 years.
Okay.
And oko school mu.
Okay.
And obi piano no to from. Enti akwa nipa ne piano na mesimi ni course but enti makwa bi won no so betwe ama no.
Okay.
Enti oka so betwe ama no na ade na anye yi e na kwa esi. E ade no ko hospital. Ye wo mo hospital mu sa and a brave papa be your car say if I don't call hospital, you call hospital. And your car say, send and Sanai, this year train, it's your cool one, Sunday, a juma. It's a year, Jumana man, you and ye, and I done sound by sound, yes, it's someone say for 50 million, bra. You mean this ask, me Juma because my niece ask.
Okay, now we try. What's say a crown or 7 years no cool school?
7 years no be piano na in Sunny years. Oh, school.
Meaning, she's saying the child, 7 years, it seems a day that the child went out for school and someone pushed him. So it seems it took the hand on ground. Love to help. You said the name again, say it.
Musharraf.
Yes. And what would you like to do in future?
I want to be a medical doctor in future.
You want to be a medical doctor in future? Okay, so definitely, I think people are going to help you to become a medical doctor. So I will not exaggerate or neither strengthen it up. But what I want to do now is, do you know your mother Momo number?
Yes, please.
Okay, put it on air for me.
025.
Okay.
76 17 302. 025.
No, now once again, you do it international. So you do it +233. +233 is our code. Then you take the 0 out, then bring the 5. Then say it to me. Let me see.
+233. 5. 2.
It's not okay. You just say it. Just say it as like that. That is how it is because we add the international line. That is how. But say it again. Say the number again.
025. 025 76 17 302.
Okay. So I think our viewers will know that our code is +233, and that is our code for Ghana. Finally, what I will also say is that I am trying to tell you that there is nothing to worry about when the returning channel is involved. So we are going to make sure that this number that you have put online, our people will be sent.
Hospital. According to history,
how many days to happen here, man?
Oh, 5 days been a year with you.
So it seems like after the incident, the neighbor did local medicine And like the 5 days, it's like the results was very bad, so they decided to go to hospital. In Timko hospital, I didn't buy.
Your hospital, no castle, no may no mesh amani kuno. Ayokuru.
Okay.
Ayokuru, and this year share kuno. Emonu and sana. And so Kunusubu, you know, my operation man, operation itino. And ye na, a Sambe call from Savior. And see, almost here, they say, almost here first, come on, yes, I'm called second time, and yet, I must say, and yet, and a son coming to Mocas and the Sambra. And then for this, the corner by Siamu some brevium, to corner by next, I samba your queer. It's almost here, some in 15 million, Embra. Eja, yes, we nisco, when ye nisco.
Okay, maybe, train. Mammy Bisa, boy, say, what's your name?
My name is Musa.
Say it where?
My name is Musa.
Musa, I'm with you. What happened to you?
So when I was 7 years old, when I went to school to play, and when was playing, one of my friends pushed me and I fell down. So when I fell down, my mother said she would send me to hospital. But our neighbor told my mom that he would try and help me. And he was helping me. He used some medicine, so some 5 days. So when they see me like that and they be laughing at me, so it seems like I'm not like how they are.
Okay. So your friends even laugh at you because you are not the same as they are because of this thing. Okay, but that is no problem. So what do you want our viewers to do for you? What do you want them to do for you?
I just want them to please send me some money so that we'll go and do the operation. And I want them to send me some money so that we'll go and do the operation for me.
Okay. I'm coming now. I'll come back to you. Hima, me know mkasa. Enti says here no. Can we hear some chire microphone? I'm so can chire omo.
Say me initial. Made money na me dey ahwa kwanti say me ton hwe say me tena fie. Me nyehwe. Say be do rent skapa for me need you me the rent.
Okay. So due to this, you have actually taken out all your money and you have even nothing left. So at this time, you are pleading to them for them to help you and also for the child to get well. With him, we know say our viewers are ready, the returning viewers are ready to support you. And I will make sure, because they would like to come to Africa to see we healthy, strong. So what is going to happen now is we are going to put a number, that's your Momo number online. Yes, that is what we are going to use it. And so the pictures that you'll be seeing is this lovely boy. Say the name to my viewers once again.
Musharraf Abdurrahman.
Yes. You see those lovely pictures, and that was the age of 7 years pictures that we saw. So I'm definitely going to put this on air. I'm expecting donation from all angles, from everywhere. That is the Momo number. So no matter how it is, I think it's going to be a good result because I believe in my returning channel. Once again, this is Afrikodumen AK247, and this is the returning channel. I want you to share, subscribe, and tell anybody about the returning. You are welcome.